Wasting resources is the last thing anybody wants. Creating innovative door solutions to these challenges is what Hanover Door Systems is here for, and our two-piece Mullion overhead doors and one-piece overhead doors are only a few of these options. By reducing the opening size of the door needed for equipment travel, the more you may save on heating costs and wear and tear upkeep. Opening just one smaller door for removing supplies or small vehicles allows you to save more than just money. Wide overhead doors with a sliding mullion have an advantage over bifold or other swing-up style doors thanks to their faster opening speed and tucking up under the ceiling, rather than extending outside of the building and causing unbalanced wall loads leading to structural problems. With over 25 years in the business, Hanover knows the importance of efficiency and quality. Hanover's sliding mullion allows for easy operation as it slides out of your way. Locking mechanisms can be activated from the floor with no ladders required. Our interlock shutoff switch is automatically built in to prevent any inadvertent closing, and our floor plates can be driven over without damage, which means no matter your project, your equipment will stay in sturdy shape. Our products are available in a variety of sizes, including doors wider than 40 feet. Shop with door professionals that have solutions for your large door challenges. Don't just save money. With Hanover, save time and energy as well, so you can focus on what really matters. For a convenient, cost-saving solution to modernize your building's door openings, work with Hanover Door Systems. Any door, any size, anywhere.